This facility represents a new era in sustainable manufacturing, where traditional materials meet cutting-edge robotics.
Inside the high-tech bamboo shoot factory you've never seen before. It's a marvel of modern engineering.
Using high-tech sensors, Engineer Nam oversees the gentle yet precise cleaning process, guaranteeing perfect clarity.
The automated peeling process ensures perfect smoothness every time. Engineer Nam performs the final quality check before packaging.
The AI sorting robot moves with incredible precision, ensuring only the finest bamboo shoots are selected. In this state-of-the-art facility, the AI sorting robot aligns hundreds of bamboo shoots with mesmerizing precision.
Inside a high-tech bamboo shoot factory you'll never seen before.
The ultrasonic frequencies precisely target the microscopic contaminants, ensuring a pristine surface without the need for harsh chemicals.
Using focused ultrasound, we create cavitation bubbles that clean the bamboo at a microscopic level.
By controlling the environment precisely, we can optimize growth cycles and ensure perfect quality every time.
The air blades remove surface moisture, then I verify the humidity levels here before it moves to the sterilization phase.
Inside this high-tech facility, the air gets
Here in the cutting sector, laser-guided systems ensure every bamboo shoot is processed with pinpoint accuracy.
The consistency of the automated blades is crucial for maintaining the quality of the bamboo shoots.
Inside this high-tech facility, AI sorting robots precisely place bamboo shoots into specialized molds.
Inside a high-tech bamboo shoot factory you've never seen before. Engineer Nam is utilizing nitrogen fog for preservation.
We use the colorimeter to ensure perfect saturation. As you can see, the vibrant yellow indicates optimal processing.
This section handles the sterilization process.
The robotic arms ensure minimal contamination before packaging.
The vacuum seal is critical. We check every package to ensure zero air ingress, maintaining freshness from the factory to the consumer.
Engineer Nam is now initiating the high-pressure sequence, locking the flavor inside.
This is how we ensure purity. We use high-pressure processing, or HPP. The intense
The label alignment is crucial for market presentation. This batch looks perfect, right on spec. The laser precisely etches the tracking codes at high speed. Engineer Nam ensures every package meets quality standards before shipping.
The precision is remarkable. We're seeing a 20% increase in throughput since implementing the new sorting robots.
This allows us to optimize the workflow, reducing manual errors significantly.
As you can see, the nanofibers are aligning perfectly. This batch is incredibly strong.
We're looking at the cellular structure in real time. Notice how robust these cell walls are. That's the key to the tensile strength.
The texture analyzer provides precise data on the crispness profile, ensuring optimal quality control.
As you can see on the holographic display, the sensor detects a balanced flavor profile, rich in antioxidants.
This is exactly what we aim for. The taste is incredibly natural and the texture is perfect. Welcome to the future of bamboo processing. These ISO and FDA certifications prove our commitment to quality and safety. As you can see, the moment we scan the package, a detailed hologram emerges, tracing the bamboo from the sustainable.
Overseeing the process is Engineer Nam, ensuring the seamless flow of crucial harvest data to the central server.
As you can see, the water leaving the system is completely purified and ready for reuse in the bamboo processing.
As you can see, the moment the flow stops, the system automatically optimizes power consumption, ensuring zero wasted energy.
This facility runs entirely on the solar panels above us. The efficiency of the sorting robots has increased by 20% this quarter.
We need to isolate this actuator joint here on the schematic. Should we bypass the primary servo first? Yes, that will stabilize the alignment during the replacement. Inside a high-tech bamboo shoot factory you've never seen before.
These automated cranes are the backbone of our operation. They handle over 90% of the retrieval, minimizing human error.
Inside this high-tech bamboo factory, telescopic conveyors rapidly load our sustainable product.
Once loaded, Engineer Nam ensures the seal is secured, guaranteeing freshness from our high-tech facility to your table. This state-of-the-art facility is ready to ship its sustainable bamboo products worldwide. As you can see, these routes confirm our exports to Southeast Asia, Europe, and North America.
From the pristine environment of the high-tech factory, Engineer Nam's vision transforms the humble bamboo shoot into haute cuisine.
Inside a high-tech bamboo shoot factory you've never seen before. Here in the quiet of the night shift, the AI sorting robot continues its rhythmic work, processing thousands of shoots an hour.
Engineer Nam oversees the final stages, where our sustainable bamboo is transformed into high-quality, modern products. Inside this high-tech facility, bamboo is processed with unheard of efficiency. But out